Good morning!
Morning.
We found the best breakfast spot ever. Check that out. So we're running a little bit late, but they were super nice enough to wait for us. So now we just gotta hurry up, get into the kayak and go. And we got nice skirts.
There you go.
Looks excellent. Perfect.
Okay.
Right?
See you later. Enjoy.
Thank you. Bye.
You can see them there, down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. See you later.
Okay, you work, I film.
No.
You're doing a good job.
Are you really doing it?
Nope. You're strong. I'm just gonna steer and then you can just paddle. I love this. I'm just like enjoying the view and she's paddling. Nice. Super nice. Just a whole different experience doing it half meter above the water. Except that Sophie just broke my GoPro stick. Everything is going very well. It's super nice, just like going along the cliffs and the water is still, there's no wind. It's like perfect conditions for this, and it's cloudy so it's not too hot. It's just peaceful. You're one with nature. What do you think, Sophie?
I think it's perfect. It's not too hard and it's not too cold.
And it's like a nice, right? And it's nice new way to experience Norway, right?
Yeah, it's really nice and it's like relaxing.
Yeah.
But you're still doing something with your body.
And it's more chill than a hike.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's like really shallow, some parts. So you're like this close to the, what do you say, the bottom? Eagle somewhere up in the sky. Okay, so now we're going into, what's it called? Henningsvaer Caribbean. You can see like it goes from dark water to just like turquoise green water. Doing good, babe? You're doing good. We're surrounded by beauty in all of its shape, form and color. And we were up there yesterday, no, 2 days ago. Oh yeah, low tide. Hey! 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 Oh! Hey! 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 Oi! Oh! Hello! Ta-da! You gotta do some sacrifices to get the shot. So pants up and ice cold water. Oh, that was actually pretty nice. Bye bye. Chill out. It's in these moments that you're glad you have like a super duper ultra waterproof durable bag like this one. Because if something happens or if it's wet here, like if you would fall out here, no problem. Normal bag, kind of fucked. And I'm broke as fuck, so I need to be careful with my gear. Oh, they look so cool! This like a view with like the water reflection. Look at this. Ding. She was there and I'm like, where did the water go? I was like, oh yeah, it's low tide, so I had to push her out. Got some nice drone shots up there. Almost got stranded. Now we're ready to go. Ooh, cold and fresh. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, we're ready. Go! Alright, darling!
Very hyggelig.
Tack.
Very hyggelig.
Ja,
Tack, tack.
supertack.
Okay.
Bye.
Hej då.
Oh, here's Axel. Our guide. You did really good today.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna head off. So, take care.
Bye-bye.
Cheers.
Pura vida. It was really fun, like good workout, because we've been hiking so much using our legs. It was nice to finally use our arms. So all in all, really good experience. Unfortunately, Peter, the guy who runs the place, ran off before we had time to say goodbye. So goodbye and thank you, Peter. It was very nice of you to take us around
Henningsvaer.
in this story. Huh?
Henningsvaer.
Henningsvaer, yes. So if you want to go for a cool kayak experience, go check them out. So this is a perfect example of Norway. You have beautiful sky, you have a little bit of clouds and misting, and it's nice, and then 10 minutes later, boom! You have like fog everywhere, you can't see shit, and it's just all gone.
And like 5 degrees.
Second update, I'm a fucking idiot. Well, we knew that, but I put one SD card here in my lap. So stupid. There's like pocket here, pocket there, pocket there. You can put the SD card there, but no, I decided to put it here. But I stepped out and I think then accidentally the SD card fell out. So I lost my SD card. We have to drive back now 30 minutes. Hopefully it's at the parking lot. If not, we have to drive another 30 minutes probably to check out the other place, see if the SD card is still there. So wish us luck. And see, 5 seconds later, you have this. Then it's all epic again. All right, a little update again. We just went to the parking and couldn't find it. See you soon in the next update. Breaking news, we found it. Moment of truth. We just arrived to the first location. We'll go around and look. Oh, yay! You found it? Woo! Woo, 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 woo. That's my girl.
Thank you.
You're the best.
I know.
I knew it was here. Damn you, little bastard. 1 hour detour. I buy you whatever you want.
Yeah, you do.
A house in Santorini.
Yeah, you do.
Yes, it's back. Yes. The feeling. That feeling. Oh shit. Woo. Good job. Good job finding it too. Okay. Let's not put it. Let's put it there. Far away from my lap. Oh, lordy lord. That's fish heads all over hanging. Smells so bad. Ugh. So we arrived to Å, which is the furthest town in Lofoten that you can get by car. Now we're gonna enjoy some view, hopefully find a little space somewhere to put our tent, sleep, and tomorrow we're going back. Whew. Took a little hike up the hill. Oh, there's some tents here. You can probably camp here too.
Gotta lay down.
Yes, you gotta sacrifice.
Classic.
Yeah.
Nice ass.
Right? Okay, that's
Okay.
all right. The tent is up. Life is good.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow. And good morning. Good morning, everybody. 4:45. There was a bird right outside the tent. Like, we're like, okay, it's time to go up. Down we go. Yay, we're first. We are number 1 on the boat. And look at the seats here.
And look at this.
Ska vi se. 17:10. Nej. Vad fan, vart är den då? Ursäkta, terminal 4 måste vi till snabbt.
Vi är nästan så att vi måste springa.
Okej.
Om det går om 20 minuter.
Ja. Kör vi! Vad fan, terminal 4? Alltså, jag fattar ingenting. Ja, vi skulle vara på bussen alltså. Det som går 18. Ja. Ja.
Vi är sena till 18:10. Ni har en halvtimme.
Ja, hinner vi göra det? Okej. That was a run.
That was our training for today.
Yeah.
That was the hike.
Yeah, that was the hike.
This was worse than the hike. Stop filming.
Okay. Fuck. I ran my ass off. I wanted to realize that they had delayed the plane, so we didn't have to run. Sore throat now. Fuck. That was like heavy backpack. And the thing is, why my shirt went up while we were running because my backpack is like kind of sliding it up. But my backpack was still there, and it scratched my ass, so I feel it.
Yeah.
Shake the booty.
Thin layer of clouds and temperature about 20 degrees right now.
We made it back home. Yay! Yeah! That's the best part about this trip.